Alright guys, we are back and like we have mentioned kanina with Sir Kim and Safety First International Corporation. Subong may ara kita nga prefab tour subong sa ila diri nga project, and Sir Kim will explain to us kung paano niyang ilang ginaobra diri subong kag sa inyo dira nga magalantaw sini kag basi ka desire ka mo nga obrahon inyo balay, inyo nga business as easy as hindi siya damo pa ka paligban. No? Safety First International with Sir Kim will handle that kag subong i-explain niyang ila diri nga project. So Sir Kim, ano di subong ato nga kadtuan?
So for this project, sir, yung client gusto niya na maglagay ng prefab container sa taas, sa babaw, para at least magamit ng mga what do you call this? Yung mga nagre-rent. So apartment siya sa taas, tapos sa baba parking. So dito sa left meron pa tayong additional na prefab dito, tapos sa right as well.
Wow.
Meron pa.
So let's go and check it out, Sir Kim. No?
Ayan. So eto sir, yung prefab container, we have different types. Meron kaming 20-footer, 40-footer.
Depende din.
Yes, 10-footer. So eto naman sa taas, we installed here yung 20-footer namin.
Wow.
So yung total square meters niya is 18 square meters. Yes. Sa 18 square meters mo sir, pwede mo na malagyan ng bedroom, CR,
Really?
maliit na sala. Yeah.
18 square meters lang.
We can provide the floor plan kung gusto ng mga clients makita.
So this is the 20-footer
Yes.
na prefab. So can we go inside? Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
No? Wala pang...
Yes.
It's fine.
So,
wow! Look at that.
yeah.
Ang init sa labas is the reason why nag-sunglass ako kaya bigid ang init. But when you come in here, Sir Kim, no? What makes it nga hindi siya nakainit?
Yes. Kasi yung mga wall panel niya, sir, including yung roof, is insulated na siya.
Wow.
So, that's the reason why na hindi siya ganun kainit. And when you purchase this, complete na siya, dalawang light fixtures, dalawang outlet, breaker, steel door, yung window na may rails, included na dun sa package. And at the same time, yung cement flooring natin, this is fireproof, sir.
Wow.
So, included na lahat.
So this one, Sir Kim, this is a 20-footer. Ano ba yung ilalagay nila dito?
So, for this one, they will be installing yung bedroom, tapos at the same time, yung bathroom.
Bathroom?
Yes, pwede malagay.
So all in one na, if you are baka newlywed kayo or baka you are just venturing out in a new business, diba Sir Kim, they could also do this sa business nila. So when it comes naman sir sa business, how could they maximize this place, this prefab?
So we have clients naman na for example, meron silang capital. Gusto nila, yung capital nila, medyo mabilis yung ROI. So minsan kasi, yung construction will allot parang number of months para eventually you will be receiving yung ROI mo.
Wow.
Ito kasi when we install this, it will only take 3 to 5 days.
Wow.
Mabilis lang talaga sir. So at least yung return ng investments mo medyo mabilis compared kung for example you will be constructing standard na structure.
Yes.
Diba? And at the same time, ano siya sir, we could disassemble and assemble this. If you decided na mag-transfer ng ibang location, pwede namin i-disassemble. Assemble naman ulit sa bagong location.
You just have to pay for the transfer na lang.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
That's correct. And at the same time, sir, meron kaming package na if you want, medyo difficult yung electricity source. We could install solar power source. Kasi we also supply solar sa residential and at the same time sa mga commercial na mga business.
So, example, if you have a land somewhere na bukid, out of town, and you want to have this kind of job, hindi ka dyan mainit. Yato doon, pwede gid, no? Just contact Safety First. And sir, makadto kita sa piyak.
Yes.
So this one is also
the same as the other one, sir.
Same man sa pihak.
So 20-footer din siya.
20-footer man.
Yan.
So their project here, sir, is apartment.
Yes, sir. We have also clients.
Mayroon na, may bed na.
We also have clients na from ground floor to second floor, ano siya, prefabricated lahat or modular containers. Wow. This one kasi iba yung plan ni sir eh. So pina-structure niya sa likod, sa baba, tapos sa taas na lang yung prefab.
Sir Kim, a little bit of a question siguro, history of this. How did you come up with this and how did you conceptualize all of this na mga prefab na mga containers?
Yeah, actually medyo more ako sa innovative approach. I saw this one dun sa Singapore. Kasi sa Singapore, 'di ba, maliit lang na country.
Yes.
So, kailangan nila i-maximize yung tawag dito. Yung location. So, doon ko nakita yung prefab container.
Wow.
And at the same time, sa kanila, priority talaga sa kanila yung timing.
Yes.
So, compared kasi sa traditional na approach na kapag gagawa ka ng bahay, medyo matagal, dahil doon sa labor cost, and mahal pala dahil doon sa labor cost. Ito, you will, for example, meron kaming specific na price. Doon lang talaga tayo magsistick. No hidden charges.
Wow.
Yes. Tapos
Sir,
it will only take 3 to 5 days.
Sir Kim, speaking about yung talk sa ating interview, the
Yeah.
first customer that we have for Safety First, sa bahay niya lang, na pangsasakyan. Let's talk about this prefab naman, Sir Kim. I know you've innovate on this and sometimes siguro you will think, oh, will somebody want this or do this? Who was your first customer for this one?
Actually, yung first customer ko nito is one of my good friend din. Ginawa niyang security, tawag dito? Parang security house doon sa negosyo niya. Kasi meron kaming 10-footer nito eh.
Meron din maliit. So
meron
half
maliit.
of this.
Mga 7 to 8 square
So,
meters.
nilagyan niya ng mga CCTV.
Doon nagsistay yung security guard niya.
Grabe, stay lang yung security guard. Ganito siya. And then after that, I know, so for those of you guys who are really innovative, this really great, Sir Kim. It's more than just having this, but it's making the next generation see that they could do something na pwedeng pareho yung function, pero mas iba at mas madali siyang gawin.
Yes.
Sir Kim, for the last time, could you invite our viewers to avail ng mga prefab ninyo?
Yes. So, if you have any inquiries, quotations, you could visit our office. In front lang ng Rusco Motors. After ng bridge, dun sa Buhang Haro, Safety First International. You could also inquire under our page, Safety First International, under Facebook page. So if you have any inquiries, let us know. We will be very happy to accommodate it.
So there you have it. If you're a business you want to be featured, next comment down below. And again, grabe gini, I would really recommend this sa mga friends ko, mga kilala ko. Kasi aga palibog ka mo, may ara ka mo nga mga lugar sa uma, hindi ka mo ka-stay, kaya tungod wala ka mo sa balay, bulayan ka mo magbutang sa materials and all. Contact Safety First. Kung kamo naman business people, kagusto nyo man to integrate ang prefab sa inyo yung nga store, contact nyo man sila. And Sir Kim, balaan ko gid ang iyang heart, iyang passion for this innovative nga technology is for everybody. Biskan wala kuryente, biskan wala ka mo internet, takdan ka mo nila.
Yeah.
Grabe, then that's madula ginayang imo nga libog solo. Anyway, God bless everybody. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much,
sir.
Sir Kim, for touring us
Thank you
today.
as well.
And see you on our next vlog. Bye.
Thank you, guys.